You probably know search engine optimization, or SEO, is a critical part of your online presence. But do you know why it matters or how your ranking is determined? With just a few simple steps, you can begin to boost your credibility, value, and authority as a thought leader in your industry while increasing your visibility to potential customers. The best part? You don't have to be an expert in SEO or a coding guru to begin increasing your search ranking today. I'm Leah Swain, Sales VP for Certum Solutions. We are an executive QuickBooks solution provider as well as a business technology firm. So SEO is what we're talking about today, and SEO matters because users matter. And users almost always begin their quest for answers with a search. While larger enterprises may hire a company whose sole focus is SEO, most businesses can manage their SEO in-house, making it a cost-effective way to indicate your credibility, authority, value, and build organic traffic while opening your business up to a world of customers. I have 4 quick tips you can start using now without any technical experience that'll help you move the needle on your search engine rankings. But before we begin, please be sure to hit like and subscribe to see more videos like this from Certum Solutions. Also, to get relevant resources, use the video description below. And as always, this is not tax or legal advice, so consult with the appropriate advisors about your specific situation. All right, let's get to the list. Step number 1, get a list of keywords. So we've all heard of keywords, right? Identifying keywords that optimize your content for SEO is the first way to drive traffic to your website. Make sure you are targeting the right keywords. You'll need to do a little research to understand the topics your audience is interested in, but good news. Keyword search is easy and free. Thanks to online tools like Google Keyword Planner, Keyword Planner can help you discover new keywords for your content or view metrics for a list of keywords you're considering targeting. If you're completely new to SEO and not sure where to start, Keyword Planner will allow you to enter the URL for a website you like or for your competitor's website to get a list of keywords that are relevant to the content, and you can go from there. The SEO software guru, SEMrush, has written a great article with step-by-step instructions on how to use Google Keyword Planner for the complete newbie. I've included a link below as well. After you have your keywords, step 2 is to create high-quality content. Once you've decided what your keyword and phrases are, you need to create high-quality content around those topics. Content is king. If you want to be ranking royalty, you've got to create original, engaging, informative content that drives traffic to your site on a regular basis. Search engines will easily sniff out articles that are written for keyword stuffing and reduce your ranking. So write for your audience first. When you're presenting your content, be sure to use headings, subheadings, bullet points, and images to maintain interest with the readers and signal to search engines that your content is user-friendly, focused, and well-crafted. Also, be sure to include the most relevant keyword in the first 100 words of your content for maximum impact with the search engines and users. Your aim should be to ask a question and include that question directly in your content. Readable posts that ask and answer questions like, what is X or how do I do Y, will boost your rankings and provide value to customers for exactly what you provide. Consistency cannot be overrated when it comes to producing content. Search engines prioritize sites that produce fresh, original content often, and customers will recognize sites with stale and dated content. So after you have your content, how do you optimize for visibility? Well, when you have great content ready to launch, step 1 is do not jeopardize its visibility with confusing URLs or descriptions. Simple and intuitive URLs are easy to read. They make sense to users and search engines. Be sure to avoid a jumble of letters and numbers or anything without real meaning for the end user. You can even add more value by including keywords directly into your URL. Meta descriptions are another crucial component to visibility. The meta description is that little bit of text that appears under the URL on Google results page. It's high value real estate for gaining the attention of customers and search engines. It should be engaging, include keywords, and that should be in the neighborhood of around 155 characters. Now remember, search engines cannot see images, videos, or audio files. So they will review the file name and alt text to better understand what the media is about. But using keywords in your file names and alt text descriptions will often be a quick win when it comes to SEO. Descriptive, contextual alt text that is relevant to the page content will create higher value asset to the search engines. So last step number 4, still a big one, right? Insert relevant links. So relevant links, what does that mean? Well, when authoritative sites link to yours, you get a boost from their established credibility to your search engine rankings. So that will increase your rankings as well. Leverage connections within the industry to collaborate on content that links back to your site. Contribute as an expert in a guest post on their site, which links back, and participate in industry forums with backlinks. If you don't have the equity to request inbound links, you can still connect with content and topics within your site through internal linking. Building clusters of posts that explore an aspect of a broader topic is a great way to signal to search engines that you're an authority and keep users clicking through your site. It's that stickiness with users that reduces your bounce rate, which is also considered in your rankings. Visualize your internal linking strategy as a wagon wheel. Each spoke dives deeper into a specific aspect of the hub topic and linking to one another when it makes sense. The strategy communicates authority to the search engines and provides immense value to search crawlers and customers as well. It's a great way to dig deeper into topics that you're truly an expert on and to stay consistent in creating new content. Using this video as an example, our hub topic is SEO. I could explore the spokes of content, keywords, visibility, links, all of this in much more detail in separate videos with a high degree of internal linking between them. Now, outbound links can also have an impact on your search results, though they're not as important as incoming ones. But the same rule holds true for all inbound and outbound links. They must be associated with a trusted, credible authority on the subject of your content. So, SEO is a critical part of any digital marketing strategy, and it's dynamic, with algorithms being updated constantly. It's also a long-term process, but with patience and consistency, implementing the tips I've given you today, conducting keyword research, creating high-quality content, optimizing URLs and descriptions, and building links, you can drive your website's value to search engines and visibilities to users without any deep technical know-how. When you apply these tips through a site audit of existing content and incorporate them into your new content, even small mom and pop shops can compete with the big boys in the competitive world of search rankings, driving more organic traffic without breaking the bank. If I can lend a hand on any of these ideas, or if you have additional questions about improving your SEO for your website, please reach out with the content information shown. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to Certum Solutions channel. And thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.